my ceiling fan. Alright, this one is I think it's a low hunter, but it's a 30-inch fan, ceiling fan, and it has 5 blades and they're brown full, alright? And I'm just going to put it on low speed. This is low. Medium. It wobbles when it's on high speed. Right now, high. And what I'm going to do something just to leave it on 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, now and off. Now we're gonna go in this ceiling fan, and now it'll be my dad's fan. The bedroom, alright? Oh, wait. And the oh wait. This one, I'll just show you the light on it. And I'll just show you the light on it. I'm just going to show you the light on it. I'm just going to show you the light on it. And this is the light. And it looks like it's dark. Alright? Now we'll turn it off. And what we're in another one. In this one. And this is the Harbor Breeze in Dad's music room. Right? Now turn it on. And I'll find a way. Oops. This is medium. I did leave the light on so you could see. Now hot. And it wobbles on high speed. What's on high speed too. Now put it on 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll put the camera 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now and off. I just leave it on low. Can't reach the blades. Now, we're gonna go in this one, and it'll be and I'll just go. that. It's on reverse because it's Christmas, see? And this is high speed, okay? White. This is our Christmas tree. It makes noise when it's on reverse. It makes it bad to have it on reverse. And I'll put it on 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and off. Now off. And now, and this ceiling fan that we have is, I got that when I was we got that when I was born, right? Okay. So this one is a remote. You see that? Right? And this is, we got that when I was born. We got that when I was like 1 year old. And it's stuck up there. I go get the stool of the computer. Oh, get that out of the way. It's fixed on a toy. See that? Now, put it on low. Now you're gonna see it. Got that when I was born, okay? You're gonna see what it looks like. Alright, and this one, it is a minka, okay? One. Now medium. High. And okay. And I hold it down, okay? When I hold it down to make it bright. Okay? And make it dim too. Now low. And the other one is in my room. Sir, you close the door. Make it light on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Just to turn off the light. Just put it on low speed. I'd make the light. See? No, wait. There we go. Now you can see. I had to make it like that. Now medium. Now high. Now put it on. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. And wait. See, it's on reversed. Okay. White. Now off. want. Oh, turn this off, filter off. I'll put it on low. There it goes, so the wind doesn't bother us. So you can hear me. Okay, now we'll put it on the light first. I gotta make this stand for her. And make this on low. Can't see. It has a remote. It has 3 speeds. Medium. This is the wind. Can you see it? Now high. Now up. Can you see something? I'll show you this thing. This is low, this is medium, this is high. This is reverse. It doesn't make it reversed. Now off. This is the light. And thanks for watching.